Hey there everyone, this is Ken here again with my Wiki project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. First thing to do for this project is for our entry page we need to, if a user visits /wiki/title, they will be directed to that page here. So let's put in CSS for example, and yeah, you're brought to the CSS page. Equally so if we stick in Python for example, and brings us to the Python page. Okay, we're also, now it asks that if we put in an incorrect URL, for example we'll say cnd, it brings up a error page. Okay, so next thing to do is for our index page, a user will be able to visit all the respective encyclopedia entries by just clicking on the link. Alright, so for the search feature, we're asked to allow the user to type a query into the search box in the sidebar to search for an encyclopedia entry. Okay, so for example let's search for CSS, and we're successfully brought to the CSS page. Let's put in another one, this time Django, and this brings us to the Django page. Let's say if we put in, for example, py, it brings up the results for everything that has a py in the results. So for example, let's in s and so on and so forth. If we put in some random that doesn't exist, then again we are brought to a error page. Okay, so for the next feature, we're requested to allow a user to create a new page. Okay, so over here we can add a title to the page we're creating. Let's just say test page, for example. And here we'll have our title, test page, and then some content. Some content will go here. And now we can save that page, and we see that there it is there. And let's go back to our home, and we can see that it has been added to our list of pages. Okay, so for the next feature for this, we need to provide an error message if a user tries to create a page that already exists. So let's put in CSS because we know it's there. Click save, and we see a message that says that this page already exists. Okay, so next we need a user to be able to edit a page that already exists. So let's go into Python for example, and let's click on edit page, and here we'll just put in updated page just to show that it works. And here we see that indeed it has updated the page. And then finally we need the user to be able to click on a random page, which generates a random page within our encyclopedia entries. Just brings up Django here, click it again and brings up another entry, and so on and so on. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.